In Bisaya, we don't say, "Oh, I forgot something."
But we say, muna, magsige mag-cellphone.
In Bisaya, we don't say, "Are you okay?"
But we say, muna, gadang hagman.
In Bisaya, we don't say, "Oh, look, she's so beautiful."
But we say, guwapo ramon, ora na siya, kay puti.
In Bisaya, we don't say, "You know what? That person is so rich."
But we say, kwartahan naman ora na siya, kaya naman siya afam ko kwartahan niya.
In Bisaya, we don't say, "Hey, you're so kind."
But we say, sus, pabutan-butan naman ora na siya, ulay daghang tao.
In Bisaya, we don't say, "Oh dear, thank you for inviting me."
But we say, uy, salamat kayo sa pag-imutan na. Uy, kibaw ba ka? Ang ulamig ilang pang pagkaon. Ano, ako siya salad.